Hello viewers and welcome to the introductory session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In this course, we are going to start with an already created 2D layout. We will get to know basics of 3D interface. Then we will learn various commands and techniques to create 3D shapes that would ultimately help us create a 3D project collectively. For this course, we will create a 3D house, add materials to it, and render it to have a final pictorial view. There are other softwares of Autodesk for 3D modeling and rendering as well, but we will focus to remain within Autodesk AutoCAD and try to attempt all of these operations. During this process, we will not only create a 3D model of house, but also learn some quick 3D commands like press, pull, extrude, sweep and revolve, etc. so that you can use these commands in future to make more projects and expand your experience of learning 3D in Autodesk AutoCAD. Please be noted that there is no hard and fast rule to create a 3D object as there are multiple approaches to create similar output. However, we will try to follow the simplest approach possible to make things easier and understandable. You are open for experimentation for learning purpose. Hope to learn a lot together with this short course of creating and rendering 3D house in Autodesk AutoCAD. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.